Okay, hello everybody, welcome to the video. I'd like to show you how to put on one of these NATO straps. So we have our watch here with the original bracelet taken off, and we're left with just the spring bars on either side, and I'll show you how this goes. So we find our 12 o'clock, find our top of our watch, and then the long part of this NATO strap, that is going to go down through there. So you can see that's filtering through here. Then the other side is going to follow through on the bottom of the face, so our 6 o'clock there. And we just keep pulling this, show you where we're going. We're going all the way up here, and we're going to get pretty close to our double bars up here. So here we are, we're almost there. We've got this leftover piece. That's fairly simple. This long part is going to go through there, and then that is it. Put that on the wrist here, flip that over. This part we're all familiar with, there we go. The good thing about these NATO straps is, they're really comfortable. You can go a little too tight, a little too loose, and it doesn't feel horrible either way. Finally, this long part is going to go through the 2 bars that we saw before, and we have some excess here. So some people fold that around this way. I personally fold it around on the inside, like this. And just give that a little push there, and that is it. We're going to take this off now, so just reverse the steps. That comes out of there. We're left with this. You can just slide this off. If it's a thicker strap, it might not slide out so easily. You might have to do it bit by bit. Try not to rush it, it'll be fine. We're going to put it in through the top, come around to the bottom, follow it through, slide that all the way up, get a nice kind of position here, put that through there, and we are done. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that quick video. Hope it helps you out if you've got some NATO straps. I really recommend them. Again, makes a heavy mechanical watch much lighter, and also that took like no time to completely change the look of it. So I think that's really good if you're gonna have one watch with many options. I think that's the way to go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.